Hello guys. In today's video, we'll show you how to add an aftermarket subwoofer to your Polaris Razor and integrate it with the Ride Command head unit using a custom Delphi plug adapter. Polaris offers two amplifier outputs for the end user to utilize, which are located in the area behind the Ride Command head unit. We will use the subwoofer amplifier output Delphi plug, which looks like that. Let me show you which adapter is compatible with that Delphi plug connection. Here we have the subwoofer amplifier Ride Command adapter, which is used for the subwoofer amplifier output Delphi plug. It has subwoofer RCA output and remote out wire. Connecting a subwoofer amplifier using the Ride Command adapter is quite simple. Begin by connecting the subwoofer Ride Command adapter to the subwoofer amplifier output Delphi plug. Then connect the RCA output of the adapter to the RCA input of the amplifier using RCA cables. For this demonstration, we are using the BA1 amplifier, which is a mono subwoofer amplifier. Please note that the subwoofer amplifier output Delphi plug can be used only for subwoofer connection. Before you go, here are a few installation notes and tips. The amplifier should be connected directly to the battery. The Ride Command head unit may generate static noise. Installing a ground loop isolator will help resolve this issue. You can find a link for this in the description below. A recommended location for mounting the amplifiers is on the firewall, behind the seat, with the cables facing downwards. To prevent the RCA cables from becoming loose and disconnecting during your ride, consider using duct tape or shrink tube to secure them together. The last thing you need to do is to go out for a ride. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below or contact us at service@noamaudio.com. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching.